Good morning guys, today we will learn how to debug JavaScript at Chrome side. So for this I have a I have a web page, and in this web page I have an index.jsp file, and for this I have h1 tag with a debugging demo and a paragraph with id demo. Okay, uh, I have a try it button, and in this try it button I have a function. When I click on this try it button, it will call the my function, and I have a custom.js file, and in this JS file I have a window.alert. When the page loaded, it will show this welcome to Chrome site debugging. Okay, I'm just write console.log, means I am using this just to check, means whether the console is working or not, and it will give 30 at console page. Okay, and as I earlier told that I am using my function in which I am just changing the inner HTML. Okay, now just click on the, means I will run this on, I will debug this on server. Okay, so just click on finish. Here we go. So in the starting page it is showing that welcome to Chrome site debugging. When I click on OK, this will is coming. Okay, now to debug JavaScript we have three methods, means we can use means we will you start the debugging tool by three methods. First, right click on the page and click on inspect button. This will start the debugging tool, or we can just click on the right hand side and click on these three dots and click on more tools and click on developer tools. Okay, this is also start the developing tool debugger. Okay, and one more, we can also use Control Shift and I shortcut to start the debugging tool. So in this debugging tool we have the elements where we can see right click on this, we can see that that HTML tags and other all things. So here is the heading, and it is showing the h1, and it is a paragraph with the id demo, and it is a button. Okay, now we have the console page, means we have the console in which we are getting the 30, and it is working fine. The console is printing 30 in the console page. Okay, and we have the sources. So in sources we have two files, means just we have only two files here, but for if we have a larger project and we have multiple of files, so we can open a file using Control and P, and here in the this, and we will type index or the name of the file. So I have an index file, so I'm just typing index, since it is showing it was just clicking on this file, and I have a custom.js file. I'm just clicking on this one. Okay, now we will start debugging, and in custom.js file I have just create a breakpoint at the line 1, and in the index file I am just getting at means we have a breakpoint at line number 10. So I'm just using this is starting, refreshing the page, it is start the debugging. So this F8, this button is resume. It will resume the execution in the script execution, and this is the step over. This will move for, means step over to the next function call, and this button is used to step into the function, and this is used to step out of the function. Okay, means we step out to the current function. So now we will use this one by one. Now the screen is paused, and when I click on this step over next function, the dialog means alert box is coming. When I click on this OK, now it moves to console.log, and in console there is right now there is nothing is printed here, but when I click on the next step over next function call, it will print the 30 in the console. Okay, so it means the console is working fine. Now come to the next. When I click on resume, it comes through here. Means it now when I click on write button, it will change this paragraph to paragraph change. Okay, when I click on this, now as I have a breakpoint here, so when I click on this, it shows that paragraph has been changed. So in this way we will debug the JavaScript at Chrome side. We will learn more when we have a bigger project, so keep watching.